Hello, Facebook. Hello, everybody. Jamie here. It is Wednesday, and we are typically closed on Wednesday. So, happy Wednesday to everybody. Give everybody a few minutes to log in. Sometimes it takes a few minutes. Give everybody a minute here. Hope everybody's having a great, fantastic day. I had a great day. Am I live? Let's see. Yeah, there's some people joining. So thanks everybody for joining me. I appreciate it. If you're watching me live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. Hello, Joel. Hello, Matthew. Hello, Eileen. Thank you everybody for watching me. So Aroma Time is closed today. It is Wednesday. Marcus just got done doing a Facebook Live talking about the whole CDC mask thing. Here at Aroma Time, we are going to continue wearing masks as staff, at least for the next couple of days. Not sure how long. We'll play it by ear. But CDC and New York State Liquor Authority just posted on their website that as long as you've been vaccinated, you don't have to wear a mask, but we're not going to patrol it. We are just asking that everybody just do the right thing. So do what is best for you. That is what we are asking for. Hello, Cheryl. Hello, Ann. Hello, Ralph. Thank you, everybody, for watching me. We are closed today. We have a little private party out back in our garden for the school. They did like an event out there. And then I had people sitting at the front, sitting at the bar. I gave them drinks. I have some people sitting out front getting drinks. And thank you.
Bye, thank you.
Have a good night.
You too.
So I'm here. We're not open. Our kitchen is not open. But if you want to come in for a drink, we are around. You can come sit and have a drink. That would be awesome. So this week, $9.99 special. Tomorrow through Sunday is our salmon dish. We also have a $34.99, 2 ribeyes and a bottle of wine to go. So our $9.99 special and the ribeye special are to go only. And we're open all weekend. So I highly recommend reservations. It will be busy. It will be beautiful. And that's it. So I have been dying to make this drink. I am going to use this violet liqueur from Gifford. People have been asking for this drink since the beginning of the pandemic. I have not had a violet liqueur. This just came in. I've been dying to make this drink in Aviation. Super excited about this. It is gin, violet, Marciano liqueur, and lemon juice. So Luxardo, Marciano, lemon liqueur. Wow, I got a lot of people joining me today. Hello, everybody. Hello, Brenda. Hello, Melissa. Thank you, everybody. Lots of people on, so thank you. And here I go. I'm going to make the Aviation drink today. So 2 ounces of gin. A half an ounce of Luxardo cherry liqueur. A quarter ounce of violet. I'm going to add a little splash more. And 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. And I'm gonna shake that on up. So this violet liqueur is delicious. It's really good. I put it in our margarita, so I've made a violet margarita. I've put it in our daiquiri. So we have a frozen daiquiri, frozen margarita. Hello, Kit. Hello, Brenda. Thank you. If you're watching me live, if you can put hashtag live. And there you have it. So this violet liqueur is not as dark. I'm going to add a splash more. I like that dark violet color. It's so pretty. So there we go. And I've never had an Aviation. What have you had? So we can get the violet in our local store. Awesome. So hello, love. Hello. How are you, Kit? So I have wanted this liqueur here for so long, and I finally just got it, so I'm excited about that. Oh my gosh, delicious. I've never had an Aviation before. It's yummy, it's good. The gin comes out, the violet comes out. It's really good. Yeah, come on in, ask for an Aviation. I'll leave the recipe for Courtney so she can make it for you from behind the bar, or Patrick, or myself. Nice drink, delicious. Look at that color, that violet. I just think that is beautiful. It looks dark, but it's really purpley. So, thank you again. The question is, can I get it locally? So we can get can we get the violet? I don't know. I can order a couple of bottles if you are interested. Next time I order from this company, I can get you a bottle of this. Currently, I can sell it like that. I'd be happy to do that for you. So, cheers, everybody. Hope everybody has an awesome day. Beautiful out. It's gorgeous. I worked out this morning at 5:30. I could even go for a walk right now. If anybody wants to come join me for a walk, that would be awesome. And that's it. Cheers to you. Have an awesome day, and I will see you guys very shortly. I might be on earlier tomorrow. So cheers. Talk to you soon. Have a good night, everybody. Bye. Hi, Barbara.